Hello and welcome to today's video. In this video, I will be discussing how to create a guided sourcing event through the use of Smart Import from Excel. Smart Import from Excel allows us to take an Excel document that lives somewhere on our computer and import it into our sourcing solution to create the contents of our event. Let's begin. The first thing I've done is chosen how I would like to create my event through the Smart Import from Excel, assigned it an event name, and chosen my template. Before I click Create, I'd like to show you the Excel document that I'll be uploading into my solution. My Excel document contains 3 sheets: a pricing sheet, supplier questions, and requirements sheet. My pricing sheet just lists my line items as well as my quantity, historic price, unit of measure, and manufacturer name. You can, however, add more system terms to your Excel document if need be. I also have 2 columns here denoted for the supplier to respond to, that being the price and lead time. I also have a page for supplier questions as well as requirements. These 3 types of sheets can be imported through the use of Smart Import from Excel. I'll demonstrate that process now. I've now been taken to the page where I can choose the file that I would like to upload. I've chosen my file and it's currently importing the Excel document. The solution gives me the opportunity to map my sheets to specific content types. Currently, items and terms, questions, and requirements are the only 3 content types supported, but they perfectly match the worksheets that I will be importing. I'll confirm, and we can see that my content has been imported. I have a section for my pricing, questions, and requirements. In my pricing section, I can create relationships between system terms. This is not required to do so, but I'd like to demonstrate how this process occurs. We notice that on unit of measure, I have a notification. That's because the system is saying I can create a relationship between unit of measure and quantity. To create that relationship, I'll need to click the 3 dots here next to quantity and choose Edit Term. I can edit my term so that my quantity will link to my unit of measure value from that separate column. I'll change this to a yes and select the column that I would like to create the link between. My notification next to unit of measure is now gone, and I've now created a relationship between these 2 terms. I can now import my draft event. My event has now been created. If I scroll down in my guided sourcing event page, I can see my items that need quotes, and it is indeed the Smart Import file that I uploaded. I can see that I have my system terms at the top, and my unit of measure field has indeed disappeared and been related to the quantity field. You've witnessed a demonstration on how to take an Excel document that lives offline and import that into our guided sourcing event to create the content for our event. Thank you for watching.